The debut of ChatGPT has sparked a significant stir, catalyzing a fervent discourse concerning the implications of artificial intelligence. Recently, the White House convened influential tech leaders to reiterate their ethical responsibility in safeguarding the public against the potential hazards associated with this rapidly evolving technology. In the realm of AI luminaries, Geoffrey Hinton, often regarded as the pioneer of AI, has stepped down from his role at Google, sounding the alarm about the existential threat that machine learning could potentially pose to human existence. Experts caution that digital intelligence could empower malicious entities to disseminate misinformation and displace numerous jobs, thereby triggering widespread unemployment. In a dystopian perspective, some even apprehend that once AI surpasses human cognitive capacities, we might confront a scenario akin to the iconic movie iRobot, starring Will Smith, where humanoid robots rise against their human creators. Unquestionably, those who have experienced ChatGPT, the AI chatbot crafted by OpenAI, can attest to its extraordinary capabilities, even at this nascent phase of development. It is not a stretch of the imagination to envision this invaluable chatbot evolving into a superlative intelligence, surpassing human capabilities. However, amidst the prevailing trepidation surrounding the unknown, we are missing out on the immense potential of AI to revolutionize our daily lives for the better. A technological paradigm shift. Rather than sounding alarms about potential job losses, it is prudent to take a holistic view. AI will liberate us from mundane, repetitive tasks, enabling humans to channel their efforts towards endeavors demanding creativity, imaginative thinking, and profound research. Instead of squandering hours on routine tasks such as data entry, document processing, and customer service, AI will facilitate the resolution of intricate problems, mitigate errors, and ultimately augment productivity. The skepticism directed at AI today echoes historical sentiments expressed during the Industrial Revolution of the 18th century. Yet, without these advancements, we would not have harnessed electricity, modern medicine, or the plethora of technological breakthroughs that define contemporary existence. Undoubtedly, any substantial technological stride leads to labor market transformations, and AI is no exception. Nonetheless, the opportunities that AI spawns will undoubtedly outweigh any momentary job displacement. While the World Economic Forum predicts 85 million job losses by 2025 due to AI, it also forecasts the creation of 97 million new jobs attributed to this technology. Another study highlights that AI investment aids enterprises in transitioning towards more educated workforces, featuring employees equipped with university degrees and specialized knowledge in the pivotal STEM domains, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Embracing such transformative technology is far more prudent than lamenting potential pitfalls. Reshaping the cryptocurrency landscape. In addition to fostering intellectual progress, machine learning holds the potential to infuse vital efficiency across diverse economic sectors, including but not limited to hospitality, investment banking, and most notably, cryptocurrency. Indeed, the convergence of crypto and AI will wield formidable influence once united. AI possesses the capability to eradicate friction from the cryptocurrency user experience, establishing a seamless end-to-end Web3 journey. Gone are the days of convoluted transaction authorization processes and toggling between applications. Artificial intelligence will automate the laborious background operations of crypto protocols, affording users a streamlined, one-click experience reminiscent of e-commerce giants like Amazon. This breakthrough will eliminate a significant hurdle obstructing mass adoption of cryptocurrencies, paving the way for the digital asset ecosystem to supplant outdated financial systems that no longer serve contemporary needs. AI's potential applications span the entire cryptocurrency domain, encompassing data providers and investment tools. For instance, AI-driven bots can sift through blockchain data, yielding valuable insights, identifying attractive yield opportunities across the spectrum, and leveraging them to construct investment portfolios. Effectively, AI can serve as a cost-effective, non-custodial alternative to expensive investment advisory services and fund management, democratizing investment opportunities for historically underserved populations. As bots evolve into more sophisticated entities, they can assume daily tasks like staking, unstaking, and transaction authorization, thereby freeing investors and traders to focus on strategic decisions. The juxtaposition of humans versus machines is an antiquated sci-fi trope designed for sensationalism. In reality, AI will elevate our lives, propelling industries, technology, and the service sector to unprecedented heights. Novel prospects will emerge, surpassing our wildest dreams prior to the advent of machine learning. Instead of endangering humanity, AI will liberate us in ways previously unimagined. As the world of cryptocurrency continues to evolve, identifying the next profitable investment can be a challenging task. However, the emergence of artificial intelligence (AI) tools has made it easier to analyze vast amounts of data and make informed decisions. In this last part of the video, we will explore the top 10 AI tools you can use to identify your next crypto investment. Tensor Charts. Tensor Charts is an AI-powered cryptocurrency trading platform that provides real-time market data visualization tools. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze historical market data, identify trends, and make predictions about future market movements. Tensor Charts is an excellent tool for identifying potential investment opportunities and monitoring market conditions in real time. Coinigy. Coinigy is a comprehensive cryptocurrency trading platform that offers real-time market data and trading tools. The platform uses AI algorithms to analyze market trends and make predictions about future price movements. Coinigy is an excellent tool for both experienced and novice traders looking to identify profitable investment opportunities. Crypto Index. Crypto Index is an AI-powered cryptocurrency index that tracks the performance of the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The index uses artificial intelligence to analyze market data and identify trends. Crypto Index is an excellent tool for identifying potential investment opportunities and monitoring the performance of the cryptocurrency market in real time. Cryptix. Cryptix is an AI-powered platform that provides predictive analytics and forecasting tools for the cryptocurrency market. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze vast amounts of data and provide users with real-time market insights. Cryptix is an excellent tool for identifying profitable investment opportunities and making informed trading decisions. Alpaca. Alpaca is an AI-powered trading platform that provides real-time market data and trading tools for cryptocurrency investors. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and identify profitable investment opportunities. Alpaca is an excellent tool for both experienced and novice traders looking to make informed investment decisions. TradingView. TradingView is a comprehensive trading platform that provides real-time market data and trading tools for cryptocurrency investors. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and identify potential investment opportunities. TradingView is an excellent tool for traders looking to make informed decisions based on real-time market data. CryptoSlate. CryptoSlate is a cryptocurrency news and data platform that provides real-time market data and analysis. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and identify potential investment opportunities. CryptoSlate is an excellent tool for traders and investors looking to stay up to date with the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency market. CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a comprehensive cryptocurrency market data platform that provides real-time market data and analysis. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and provide users with real-time market insights. CoinMarketCap is an excellent tool for traders and investors looking to monitor market conditions and identify potential investment opportunities. Skew. Skew is an AI-powered platform that provides real-time market data and analytics for cryptocurrency investors. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and identify potential investment opportunities. Skew is an excellent tool for traders looking to make informed decisions based on real-time market data. Krill. Krill is an AI-powered trading platform that provides real-time market data and trading tools for cryptocurrency investors. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and identify profitable investment opportunities. Krill is an excellent tool for both experienced and novice traders looking to make informed investment decisions. AI tools have made it easier to analyze vast amounts of data and identify profitable investment opportunities in the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you are an experienced trader or a novice investor, using these AI-powered tools can help you make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals.